I got the box. Finally, and look, we've got some fringe peeking out. But I finally got this. No tracking, no nothing when it comes to this. It's just the box by Fashionsta. Showed up today. I'm glad it's here. It's $19.99 per month, and I'm pretty sure you get 4 to 5 full-size products. This is my very first one, so I'm going to be completely honest about everything. Oh, we have a card. Okay, I like cards. It says box. With every purchase, you're helping the Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need of a form of a monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence, self-image. I did not know that about this. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this has got everything that's in here. Feels like an add to cart kind of day. Oh, okay, so I get, ooh, this is a coupon code on their website. Very exciting. Okay, now, this is how it comes. Oh, okay. Here's the products. Ooh. I did see other people unbox this, so if we all got the same thing, then I know what's in here. But that doesn't take away from my excitement. Now, okay. Ooh, yeah, baby. Sigma just did my first video on the premium set. First time trying the other day. I'll put that in here somewhere. And I got 15 of those. I was so excited. This is an F89 Bake Kabuki brush. If I can get it open. Hello. Oh. Okay. Pull here. Okay. That's okay. That works. Okay. So here it is. Do you like? Yes. It is very soft. Okay, and I'm liking my Sigma brushes so far, so this is kind of cool. All right, let me see. Does they give me a price? $25. You can put on setting powder. The angle gets close to contours. Is recommended use with foundation face brush with powder products. Perfect for full coverage. Okay, I'm liking that. $25 for this brush already makes this box worth it, and the total value is supposed to be $157.50. And I like that they put the total value on there, so I don't have to add it up. That's kind of cool. Okay, next I see Jet Super Hydrating Skincare, an oil to foam jet cleanser. It tells you how to use it. It's got antioxidants in it. It protects your skin from aging. Okay, so I really like anti-aging products. And this is a $25 cleanser. Okay, I like trying out new skincare. Let's see what I've got next. This looks like a Vita C tea infused serum, it says. It's not that it looks like that. That's what it says. This looks like a serum, I should have said. Because, like, I could really tell what it was like, you know? All right. $45. Oh, my. Really? Okay. It's got antioxidants in it. I'm reading the card as I'm looking at. Ooh, it's cute. Look how cute that is. Oh, I like cute things. Here's my serum. Is my serum? Let's see if it'll focus. Hello. Kind of. All right, $45. Let's smell it. Oh, it doesn't smell bad. Okay. Tea infused hibiscus vitamin C. Oh, my hands are all dirty. Otherwise, I would put some. All right, you know what? Let me just try some on my wrist right here. Whoop! Comes out kind of fast. Oh, it does smell really good. I like things that smell good. It's definitely a serum. It's just kind of shiny. I just wanted to try it. It smells good. Feels good. Hopefully it works. We'll see. All right, next. Everyday Natural Rescue Balm, Pawpaw, ICI, and Peppermint. That's funny. Okay. Okay. What is this? Club BFF? Natural Rescue Balm. This nifty sidekick is, moisturizes your lips. And it's cruelty-free, which is kind of cool because I really do like cruelty-free products. So, anyhow, I'm going to try it. It has a thick consistency, almost like petroleum jelly. No scent, and it tastes horrible. So did not mean to do that. Excuse me. Okay, next. Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint Duo. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? $26. Okay, well, it is double-sided. That's cute. I don't know about the colors yet. Let's try. First color. It smells pretty good. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay. They're pretty. You could definitely put like this, let it dry down on your lips. We're going to see how it dries down. I'm just going to let it sit here so I can tell you, but you could put a topper on or something and that would be great. I would like that a lot. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now we've got the last item. This is the last item, right? Yeah. Okay. Leopardina, 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighters. Makeup with an attitude. Okay, I'm going to open this, but I don't think I'm going to swatch it. Oh, okay, it kind of already looks like, I guess that just happens. Here we go. These are really pretty colors. I don't know how they swatch. I don't know about this brand, but since I have to do Wowza Wednesday tonight, I think I'm going to do this as the giveaway. Why not? Because a lot of you have not tried the box yet, and I think that this palette would be something you would want to try. And then you can tell me what you think of the shadows. Let's see what it is worth. $21.50. So I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put it in Wowza Wednesday. And that's that. Okay, so $157.50. We got the eyeshadow palette. We got the cleanser. We got the Sigma brush. We got the Duo lipstick by Galactic Beauty. And then we got the vitamin C serum. And then the lip balm. It has peppermint. I do like the peppermint smell. It don't taste good, but the peppermint smells nice. Okay, so we got all of this. 6 products. And they pretty much all look full size. They gotta be all full size to me. For $157.50 is the total retail value for $19.99. Yep, Karen would recommend the box. Absolutely. Now, I'm going to try these products out, and then next time I get my subscription, next month, and I do an unboxing, I will report on it. Now, I can report on this. These dried down pretty well. I did get a lot was on the brush, and they're not completely dry, but it looks like that they're going to dry down to a nice matte finish, just so you have an idea of what that looks like when it dries down. Okay, guys, what did you think? Did you get the box? Did you like it? Let me know if you got tracking and shipping information or if it just showed up, because I'm kind of curious. I didn't get that. I don't know if we're supposed to. Maybe we are. Maybe we're not. I don't know. Guys, let me know. I'm new to the unboxing thing. I only unbox usually Boxy, Charm, and Ipsy, and now I've got all these new little things, and I don't know what I'm doing with them. So help me out. Love you guys so, so very much. If you're new here, please think about subscribing and joining the family. I would love it if you did. And then if you introduce yourself, just say, hey, it's me. And if you're shy, that's okay. It's cool. You don't have to say hello right away. But, and thank you if you're a returning subscriber. Mwah! I love you all so, so very much. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye. Bye.